Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Andrea Coy, CEO of Grace Kennedy Foods, announced GK's new combined office and warehouse space in Atlanta that includes both temperature-controlled and ambient storage, allowing for seamless integration of frozen and chilled products with its traditional dry goods. Strategically located near the Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, the facility serves as a critical hub for distributing Grace and LaFay branded products, as well as some third-party brands across Georgia and the Carolinas. It also supports shipments to Louisiana and Tennessee, enabling broader and more efficient reach across the U.S. Image Plus Consultants, which trades as Apex Radiology, says it is likely to acquire two companies on which it did due diligence last year. CEO Keisha Anderson tells R Today that if they materialize, these two acquisitions could lead to significant increase in its inorganic revenues and profits. She stressed that these acquisitions, in conjunction with the restarting of its Ligonier operations, will support greater revenues and earnings in the future. For the trading period ending July 7, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 25,565,339 units traded, representing 64.48% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Jamaica Highway Limited, with 2,694,309 units traded, representing 43.35% of market sales volume. Medical supplies distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited, with 2,062,522 units traded, representing 5.20% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 7, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 56.01 million purchased and US 51.70 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.68 per dollar, selling the US at $160.64 and buying the US at $158.96. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $7.95 per transaction, with selling at $119.90 and buying at $111.95. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.01 in profits, with selling at $217.35 and buying at $216.34. For our credit report tip of the day, ready to buy real estate? Then it's time to move beyond dreaming and start funding the foundation work. Before any mortgage approval, there are critical upfront costs: land surveys, architect plans, government permits, and even soil tests. These early steps require cash or credit, and your credit score can be the key that opens the door to getting it all done without draining your savings or stalling your timeline. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.